Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 3.1 and I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to start, pull down the notification bar from the top and you'll see the little battery icon right here, which is written battery saver, and you can either tap on it to activate it as it is set by default. It takes in your battery life, you can read the little message and then confirm it. You can enable it like so, and will by default just limit certain apps and how much data they're using, basically battery, and how often they update. But you can also hold it and access the settings, and from here you can also go more in depth. Adaptive battery, which is by default enabled. It limits the batteries for certain apps, but also might do other tasks that will, for instance, increase the batteries depending. It tries to do it in a smart way, but doesn't really describe what apps it chooses to, say, disable or enable. And what else is here? You can enable battery percentage, so you can get a more decent idea of what your battery is, and you can also choose here when it turns on. So as you can see right now, it's actually turned on automatically, and this later can actually set when it turns on automatically. So let's just put it like this. I'm gonna turn it off now, and at 32%, I'm gonna set so it turns on by itself and probably not make it. So assuming this will reach right now 32%, and anytime soon it would turn on by itself and start preserving battery more than it is right now. So that's basically how you enable the power saving mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.